In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a quarter circle in Inkscape using the most efficient professional methods available. Whether you are designing a logo, creating complex geometric patterns, or just need a precise 90-degree slice for a graphic project, mastering the circle tool's hidden features is essential. This technique is incredibly powerful because it allows you to maintain mathematical precision without having to manually draw paths or guess your angles. If this video helps you out with your design workflow, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more vector graphic tutorials. Alright, let's get started with the setup. First, we need to select the right tool. Navigate to your toolbar on the left side of the screen and click on the Create Circles, Ellipses, and Arcs tool. You can also simply press the E key on your keyboard as a shortcut to activate it instantly. Now, before we draw, here is a crucial tip for canvas preparation. To ensure you are making a perfect circle rather than an irregular ellipse, click and drag on the canvas while holding down the Control key. This constrains the proportions, giving you a perfectly symmetrical circle to start with. Maintaining this symmetry is vital because it ensures that our 90-degree segment will be mathematically identical in width and height. Once you have your circle on the canvas, you will notice 3 handles, 2 squares and 1 small circle. We want to focus on the quarter circle steps now. Identify the radial handles, which is that circular handle located on the right side of the shape. Unlike the square handles which are used for scaling the size, these circular handles specifically control the start and end points of the arc. To create a precise quarter circle, you could drag it manually, but for perfect accuracy, look at the numerical values in the Tool Controls bar at the top of your window. Go ahead and set the start value to 0 and the end value to 90. This immediately creates a perfect 90-degree segment that represents exactly 1/4 of the total circle circumference. Now, look closely at how the shape is closed. In the Tool Controls bar, you need to click the Switch to Slice icon. This looks like a closed shape with 2 radii. Selecting this ensures the shape is a closed pie slice rather than just an open, thin line arc. This is what officially turns your arc into a solid quarter circle shape that can be filled with color. If you need to manipulate the nodes individually for a custom design, navigate to the top menu and go to Path, then select Object to Path, or you can use the shortcut Shift plus Control plus C. This freezes the shape into a vector path. However, keep in mind some important technical details about this transformation. Once the quarter circle is converted to a path, those specific radial handles for the circle tool will disappear, and any further modification must be done using path commands and node editing. If you are following a reference image from a browser or another window, you can lower the opacity of your quarter circle in the Fill and Stroke menu by pressing Shift plus Control plus F. This allows you to see through the shape and align it perfectly with your background reference. Additionally, if you intend to use this quarter circle as a mask for another image, simply select both objects and press Ctrl plus M to set a clip. This is fantastic for creating rounded image compositions or custom UI elements. Inkscape is a community-driven project, so when you are searching for custom shapes or shape-building extensions online, remember to contribute to Inkscape when clicking an install link to keep this amazing software free for everyone. And that is it. You have successfully created a perfect quarter circle and learned how to manipulate it like a pro. If this video helped, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.